Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. Children, you all know that this is our EVS online class. So, today we are going to do a new exercise of chapter number 10, that is useful animals. And I hope, children, that you have completed all your previous work till now and there is no pending work for you all. Okay? Good. So, yesterday in my EVS video, I gave you an assignment and I gave you the video to complete your exercise C and D. And C exercise was name the following and D was true and false. And I hope you all have understood it and you have completed it also in your notebooks. Good. So, today we are going to start with our exercise E. Okay. So, I will explain you the E exercise, that is give two examples of the following. So, you all have to understand it very carefully. So, please listen to the video very carefully. Okay. Now, you all know that whenever you start a new exercise, you have to write it from a new page. Okay. So, turn to your notebooks to a new page. And first of all, you will write down today's date, that is 21/8/2020. Then you will write down the heading, lesson 10 useful animals. And in the second line, you will give the heading E part. Give two examples of the following. Now, in this exercise, what you have to do, that a question will be asked, a sentence will be asked, and you have to give two examples of that question. Okay? Like first one is, animals that give us milk. जो एनिमल्स हमें मिल्क देते हैं उन एनिमल्स के नाम लिखने हैं. सो वी हैव टू गिव टू एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके. सो द टू एग्जाम्पल्स for animals that give us milk is cow and buffalo. Okay. The two examples are cow and buffalo. Cow से हमें milk मिलता है and buffalo से हमें milk मिलता है. Is that clear, children? Now, coming to second part. Animals that give us eggs. Now, eggs हमें कौन कौन से animals से मिलते हैं? So, we have to give two examples and that two examples are duck, hen. We get eggs from duck and hen. Okay, children? Is it clear to you all? Now, coming to the third question. Animals that give us leather. जो animals हमें leather देते हैं. Okay? I explained you before also that leather is used to make shoes, belts, purse. Okay, for all these things we use leather. And from where we get leather? We get leather from the skin of dead animals. And there were 4 animals given in your book. You all remember? Snake, buffalo, crocodile and camel. So you can also write other 2 examples. If you think that these 2 examples are difficult for you to remember, so you can write other 2 examples also. Okay, from those 4 examples you can write any 2 examples. So animals that give us leather are snake and buffalo. Okay, buffalo से हमें milk भी मिलता है, हमने ऊपर लिखा था, और buffalo से हमें leather भी मिलता है. Okay, now the fourth question is pet animals. 2 examples of pet animals. What are pet animals, children? जो हम अपने घर में पालते हैं. ओके, जो हम अपने घर में पालते हैं उनको हम पेट एनिमल्स बोलते हैं. और जो हम फार्म में रखते हैं, जिनसे हमें एग्स और मिल्क मिलता है, मीट मिलता है, वो एनिमल्स हमारे फार्म एनिमल्स होते हैं. सो फार्म एनिमल्स और पेट एनिमल्स दोनों एनिमल्स की एक कैटेगरी होती है, दैट इज डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. यू ऑल रिमेंबर, आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दैट ऑल्सो. डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स जो हम अपने घर में और अपने फार्म में रखते हैं. सो द 2 एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर पेट एनिमल्स आर डॉग एंड कैट. Is that clear, children? Okay. The fifth question. Animals that carry things for us. जो एनिमल्स हमारे लिए चीज़ें कैरी करते हैं वो कौन से दो एनिमल्स हैं, उनके नाम लिखने हैं हमें. वन इज हॉर्स, वन इज बुलक्स. इफ यू डोंट रिमेंबर horse and bullocks, you can also write the other two examples that were given in your book, and those examples were elephant, okay, and camels. Okay, so you can write horse, bullocks, elephant, camels, anything, any two examples you can write. Okay, now coming to the next, things that we get from bees. bees से हमें कौन सी दो चीज़ें मिलती हैं? honey and wax. Okay, we get honey and wax from bees. Now the seventh one, things made from leather. I explained you this before also. Things made from leather are shoes and bags. And if you don't remember shoes and bags, you can also write belts, purses, handbags, anything. Okay, anything made of leather you can write here. Things made from leather, shoes and bags. And remember children, leather is obtained from the skin of dead animals like buffaloes, camels, snakes and crocodiles. Okay, so don't forget this. Now the last point, that is the things made from silk. Silk से कौन सी दो चीज़ें बनी होती हैं? Saris and dresses. Okay, here you can also write, if you don't remember saris and dresses, so you can write scarves and shirts. Okay, silk, from silk we make saris, dresses, scarves and shirts. So you can write any two examples. Okay, and now do you all remember that from where do we get silk? Silk हमें किससे मिलता है? I told you when I was explaining the chapter that silk is always obtained from, we get silk from, yes, we get silk from silkworm. Okay, silkworm is a small it is like a small insect like caterpillar. Okay, and we get silk from that silkworm. Is that clear, children? So there are 8 sentences in this exercise. So you have to complete all these 8 sentences in your notebooks, and I hope you all have understood and there is no problem in this. It is very easy exercise. You just only have to learn the two examples for every sentence. Like, and if I ask you things that we get from bees, bees से हमें दो चीज़ें क्या मिलती हैं? honey and wax. So you will write honey and wax. Okay, so in this way you have to learn these very carefully and very okay, you very nicely you have to learn these. Okay, children, and don't forget, I am telling you again and again to complete your work on time and get your copies corrected, children, so that you will come to know about the mistakes which you are making. Okay, and try that there is no mistake in your work. Okay, and you write everything very neatly, carefully, nicely in your notebooks. Okay, children, and again I am telling you that you can come to school or you can send your notebooks to school, okay, for correction. And the timing, you can come from Monday to Friday. Any day you can come from Monday to Friday. Okay, and the timing for copies correction is from 10 a.m. in the morning to 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So between 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. you can come and get your copies corrected. Is that clear, children? Now complete your work and get your copies corrected. Till my next video. In my next video, children, I will give you question answers. I will explain you the question answers. Make sure that you complete this exercise in your notebooks. Okay, with this video I am also giving you the assignment to complete assignment will be the same as I explained you. Okay, so till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.